The universe today has all the elements of the periodic table, but before the first stars, only hydrogen and helium existed. Anything besides hydrogen and helium are called metals. Initially, the universe didn't have any metal, and then stars formed, fused hydrogen and helium into heavier atoms, and then blew up, and the universe got metal. Origins of this idea go back to the 1940s and 1950s. How does it hold up to modern measurements? The most distant measure of the ratio of oxygen to hydrogen is at Z equals 12.6, 350 million years after the Big Bang. We can compare that to today's current value from the sun, which is called solar. And you see that it goes down over time. Here's data I've gathered from JWST in 2023. And here's data from 2024 from DESI. And you can see that there are metal-poor galaxies everywhere. Even the Milky Way has subsolar metallicity, but it's higher than these galaxies. The highest metallicity at the highest redshift is observed at Z equals 4.2. The line between them predicts this survey from 2023, a surprising lack of metallicity evolution with long gamma-ray burst host galaxy population. Now the star-forming population looks like this from 2023, which is why the other survey is a surprise. Now I should note that all these different surveys targeted different objects with different instruments. They use different ways to measure the oxygen abundance, and oxygen isn't the only metal that we should be measuring. So this mishmash up of data isn't conclusive evidence of anything, and there are even other estimates for the metallicity of GSZ12. You can find these datasets and more with their references at metallicity.htm. There's a link in the description. So, if the universe is expanding, metal enrichment happened very fast within the first billion years, but not everywhere, since there are lots of metal-poor galaxies today. Enrichment must have tapered off a lot. Or there's a source of hydrogen and helium besides the Big Bang. And that's what I talked about in the last episode. Do quasar jets produce fresh hydrogen? So here's a montage of different data sets I've collected. If the universe is not expanding, it doesn't have an age, and metal enrichment has to be balanced out, also by some source of fresh hydrogen. So which do you think it is? Expanding, non-expanding? Make sure to check out that link. Leave your comments and complaints below, subscribe, and thanks so much for watching.